Hey, welcome to the channel. Today we are talking mortgages in Dubai. And I mean everything you need to know in one video. Whether you live in Dubai or abroad, buying ready or off-plan, planning to finance as a private person or through a company, even if you are willing to use crypto, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll be talking about mortgage for residents and non-residents, interest rates and examples, ready versus off-plan financing, should you buy as a person or company, how non-residents buy step by step, fees, transfers, crypto, portfolio building, and how to work with my mortgage broker for free. I'm Svetlana, a real estate broker in Dubai. I help foreign investors buy property in Dubai with no stress and clear strategy. So let's start. Residents mean if you live in Dubai and hold a valid visa, banks can finance up to 80% of the property price for your first property, if it's under 5 million dirham or which is 1.3 million US dollars. For your second property, maximum is 60%. For non-residents still eligible, most banks offer between 50 to 60% financing. You'll need to cover the rest yourself. Let's talk numbers because this is really matters. For residents, interest rates start from around 3.99% to 4.5%, fixed for 1-3 years, then variable. For non-residents, expect 4.25 to 5.25% depending on your nationality, income type, and loan amount. Quick tip for you. You can take a mortgage for up to 25 years or until you reach the age of 65, whichever comes first. And if you decide to repay your loan early, there is only 1% early settlement fee or 10,000 dirham, which is around $2,700. That makes early closure very convenient and cost effective. Now, a big question I get a lot: should I buy as a private individual or under a company? Here's the reality. For most people, buying as an individual is simpler, cheaper, and faster. If you open a company in Dubai, you can buy under it, but the mortgage options are more limited and interest rates are usually higher, around 6 to 7%. Also, your company should run business in the UAE for around 1 year time. Also, bank approval takes longer and setup cost for a free zone company can be 25,000 dirham. So unless you have a specific reason, like business structuring, privacy, or tax planning, go with personal ownership. Here is the mortgage example for ready property. Let's say you are buying a ready one-bedroom unit in Dubai Marina for 2 million dirham, which is 545,000 US dollars. You are a non-resident, so you get 60% mortgage, which is 1.2 million dirham. You pay 40%, which is 800,000 dirham. At 4.5% interest over 20 years, monthly mortgage will be 7,600 dirham, which is $2,070. You can rent that unit for around 9 to 11,000 dirham monthly, so the rental income might fully cover your mortgage. Now is a mortgage example for off-plan. You are buying the same unit for 2 million dirham in a project completing in 2027. You pay 60%, which is 1.2 million dirham, over 2.5 years in installments. And handover in 2027, you pay remaining 40%, which is 800,000 dirham. This is what you finance from Dubai Bank. The bank starts charging you only after handover, and monthly payment would be around 5,000 dirham. It's a smart way to stretch your cash flow and still own a high-quality asset. And for crypto buyers, if you're planning to buy property in Dubai using crypto, it's 100% possible. I've helped clients do that. You can't pay the bank in crypto, but many developers accept USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the transaction is fully legal. So if you want to buy using crypto, just message me. I'll explain how the full process works step by step. How to send money from abroad. To fund your down payment or repay your mortgage, you can transfer funds internationally via Swift bank transfer. It's most common. Licensed money exchange companies. If you want to use crypto or cash, reach out to me and I'll help you with the solution. Let's go step by step. If you are not a UAE resident, here is what happens. Step 1, pre-approval. You send your documents, which is passport, income proof, bank statement, and credit report. You get a mortgage pre-approval, which is valid for 60 to 90 days. Step 2, choose the property. Once you know your loan eligibility, you find a unit that matches the budget. This is what I can do for you. Step 3, property valuation. The bank sends a valuer. They want to confirm the price is fair before the land. Step 4, final approval. If all matches, you get the final mortgage offer. Step 5, MOU plus transfer. You sign the purchase agreement, which is MOU, transfer ownership, and the bank pays the seller directly. And step 6, you get the title deed and done. Here is what you pay. 4% Dubai Land Department registration fees, which is 80,000 dirham on a 2 million dirham property value. 1% bank fee, which is 12,000 dirham in our case. Mortgage registration, 0.25% of loan, which is 3,000 dirham. Valuation, up to 3,500 dirham. Trustee office, 4,200 dirham. Broker commission, if any, it's around 2%. Choosing the right bank is important. Some banks give better rates for Europeans. Some accept self-employed. Some allow early repayment without penalties. That's why I always work with a licensed mortgage broker. He works with all banks in the UAE, compares the offers, and negotiates the best deal for free. You don't pay anything. If you're interested, I can arrange a video call with me and him where we will review your case, budget, and options. The next question is, can you take more than one mortgage? Yes, 100%. As long as your debt burden ratio stays under 50%, you can take multiple loans. This is how many investors build their Dubai portfolio. Buy, rent out, use income to qualify for another mortgage, and repeat. Over time, your portfolio grows, your equity builds, and you are investing using bank money, not just your own. So there you have it. Whether you're resident or non-resident, buying ready or off-plan, using cash, financing, or even crypto, there are real options for everyone. I help my clients navigate this entire process. If you want to check what mortgage you can get or book a call with my broker, just message me. No cost, no pressure. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.